Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I just want to basically upload a English speaking vlog, and so that's why I've come here and to record myself, because every time you just need to know why you are doing something. That is what most important. And so I'm just gonna show you this beautiful place. You will see a lot of greenery here, and there is lot of big tech companies like beside from me. You can see there country, right? So it is a huge kind of great place where a lot of techy people, so you can say multiple people working. I don't know like what their profession would be, but they are professional at some sort of things. So today basically it is a very tricky day, such as like basically I didn't upload video much about like vlog, because that's feel like I am like kind of uploading some other things. So that's what I feel, and so yeah, that's why I didn't try to upload multiple vlogs, because I just want to basically focus more on practice videos, which is most important. And there is a lot of voice you can listen, like to the metro as well is going. This is kind of great place for like working as well. And yeah, I've, you want to basically go into some sort of profession, basically need to work at least 3 to 4 years on your skills. Then after you can basically grab a position. And nowadays I think, I believe that there is a lot of people who have a lot of skills, but they are not able to get the reward what they want to be. So that's why like a lot of people is coming on the YouTube platform as well, because that is the easiest way, easiest way to basically start without like investing once, or some sort of capital, because every field it is required the capital. Without that you cannot able to basically do some sort of business. So yeah, just want to express myself, whatever coming on top in my mind, and just trying to basically uh, like build a mindset where people can understand, like to be a YouTuber you should first need to basically upload one thing, upload the videos. And that is a very basically a challenging thing to a lot of people, because they are keep searching and keep scrolling for content what they are trying to make. But yeah, you need to just start recording and from the day one, because if you are like keep working, so you will also get the plan as well. So this is what I'm thinking for. And today basically it is a random video where I didn't plan some sort of thing, so speak. Yeah, but I try to basically plan for that as well, prepared well. Because every time if you are starting, you need to have a plan. Without that you are speaking by your heart only. That is what I want to basically express in this channel, right? So I hope you enjoy this video. If you found helpful, so like it. Bye bye, have a good day.